Okay, so now at least I'm live on YouTube as well. Amazing. Weird. Okay, I thought I was live on YouTube this whole time, but no, I wasn't. Okay. But then that means that also if I git check out to poll system and I run that, fuck, I cannot run it because I don't have an actual, I don't know what, it found some headset that I don't have. Because I'm running null to run with virtual, bruh, I'm stupid. Let's see. Okay, now, so if I run this, wait. Okay. At least if I run a virtual headset, then it's fine. So my actual headset is broken. Fuck. That's okay. It's okay. Well, I will have to figure that out after a while. I don't know, man. That's just annoying. But yeah, now how far?
Can you stream on Discord again?
Yeah, sorry, forgot.
Okay, nice.
But how far were we in here? We had the input. I just reverted everything I did because it was so bad that it had to, I don't know. I thought, or maybe it wasn't even bad, but I was just unsure now. Fuck. Fuck, that sucks. Because I don't know if if my actual headset was broken or if it is the actual thing. But this still doesn't make sense because if I get in here, okay, cool. I can still do the begin frame here. Oh, because this one will actually start the begin frame, but then because it's not there, it will do the end frame. And that's why this whole thing works. No, because then when it gets in here to update, it shouldn't work anymore. Because then it should be in here going like, oh, render, right. And then it tries to render and it shouldn't work. This thing should break completely, like. That's really weird that it even runs. Because this thing should not run. That's some interesting shit right there. But I think one thing I could do to fix this fix that is not probably necessary, but should be, is that I will take this away from here. I will put it in here. Oh my god, paste it like so. So, and then we can take it in the context. Not that context, the other context. This context. And I will say should render CVK bool 32. This is just to CVK false. So, and then we can say instead of this, say cdx dot should render ctx.predicted time frame. And then if this happens, then we don't want to render shit, so then we just do a return at the end over here. We don't even want to update that thing. How you can play my Minecraft clone, you can take it from the repo, but there's not really much to play. Oh, what the fuck? Oh, 230. But that's exactly why I wanted to move this out, because that should ensure that that doesn't happen. Because now I call begin frame, right? And then this one has to do this. And we did not get, oh my god, oh, we did get, oh my god, died. But how does anything run then? What the fuck? Yeah, but still, that means that we shouldn't do this in here. This has to happen before begin frame, or then in the end frame. I think it can happen in the begin frame, that makes sense. Oh yeah, but this can still be at the top. And then that will be hello Code Fox and hello Pig. You drove a double World War II tank today? Damn, that's absolutely crazy. That's pretty cool. I wanted once to do that too, but I never did. Let's go to the render. So just input, import, and you can go down here and just say input that. Actually, yeah, that should be really cool. That should be fine. No? She's not running. Engine render 281. 281. 281. 81 here. Right, I need to ask also if running. If ctx.running equals false, then the return. You don't wanna try to do any image stuff if you're not running. Now we're never running. Amazing. How is that even possible? Because it gets into begin frame every iteration. Post the events. But this works if it's called in a completely different place, which doesn't make sense to call it there. What the fuck? Why? How? Oh wait, but do we ever say? Yeah, I do say running equals true. begin. Okay, now I'm starting to get some weird ass shit I never gotten before. Or is it because it creates swap chain, failed to create swap X or runtime failure? Am I even having... I have it on. Okay, so that means it has to get there and enable it. But yet, when I read the context, it says that it's always... it sets the context to true. But just when I get in here, running is always false. Can make a desktop version of this VR game like VR chat. No, that's gonna be too much work. I'm not gonna do it. Need to make something in CDC. Alright, see a pig. You can make a I'm not gonna make a desktop version of this game. This game is just also just for learning VR. That's the only thing why I'm doing it. I'm not doing it for any other like cool reasons. Just wanna understand VR, but apparently I don't understand it. Clearly. You should pull the events first. That I do in the begin frame. And then session state manager. Respond to the state. Begin session. Yes. Active rendering sessions. Input synchronization. Then I sync the actions. That I do. Because I do... First this is the first thing that happens. Can I please move you here? Thank you. Go to main. It says begin frame. Begin frame is this. Go through each an event and then it sets begin session if it needs to. And then I have stop session, yes. And then I sync the actions, that is correct. I go into poll events after there's... Wait.
Okay, I gotta go now. Now
see ya.
it will work out. Yeah. See ya.
Bye bye. Well, I actually do the extra wait frame and begin frame because... But I need to do this after I do this because I cannot sync actions without the... anyways, somewhat disordered. Then it should render, begin frame, locate space, update application, use state physics, render scene should render true, then I will render, then I call end frame. Yeah. So everything is correct in order, but I don't understand. Am I changing running somewhere at some point? Running is equal to false in the beginning. Then I put it, if it's idle, probably shouldn't do that. Running was true, and then synchronize visible. Let me just check that out real quick. Source. If synchronization, that should be true, not false. It is true. And then if it's ready to not begin. Yeah. And if it's idle, running false, yeah. But I do get into begin render. Right, but I never set this to, oh my god, I'm looking at the wrong thing, I'm so stupid. Oh no, I'm not looking at the wrong, I'm looking at the right things, but I never do this, all of this, and then here, begin frame. I also must say ctx dot should render is equal to frame state dot should render. Otherwise, of course, we'll never see anything. Oh my god. Bruh. But yeah, there it is. Amazing. So, we will... I knew something was... Things couldn't have been that bad. Okay, let's see. What did it answer to my question about the core loop on OpenXR application is main execute cycle and the handles of an execution input synchronous application updates and frame rate. Synchronize runtime, minimize latency and response sessions. Based on standard practice, the loop integration event handling response event poly. Full event sync. Ah, wait. No exception does not require its predict display time or any. I'm pretty sure it does. Otherwise, why? No, it should. Full. I guess, well, you could do the syncing here. At least I'm starting to feel pretty confident about that, so we'll remove this. But yeah, that sucks. What can I say? But while should I just remove the quit or no quit? While ctx should quit equals false. Yeah, I don't have the ctx over here. Const ctx equals. Why is it again something like this? Rename symbol gfx context. So world get resource to integrate all action functions thoroughly into your open core while ensuring proper synchronization for action via to consider the dependency in your code, especially XR sync action itself can be called at various points or after. Code predicted time state display is called once per frame late after that, making the but also to minimize the with the quit event data, you pull all of the events, and then if running begin frame pull actions as focus end frame. Well, you need to always, oh, it doesn't have focus, then you end it normal, else you render. Oh. But that could actually get rid of a lot if you just change it to be begin frame. Yeah. write a reminder for tomorrow. So, yes. It's fine. But this is fine. And then it should quit. So I can now go into input. And add this thing back. I can do dx that should quit is true. And now we should do a clean exit if the not clean, but get resources by context found. Okay. Expected type engine context found render on. Pointer. Yes, perfect exit. And now, if I just do it, and then now I can go back into here. I should always run with this, but I didn't. It's funny that it doesn't say. Am I actually? No, I'm not. Am I? Frame. Ah. Okay, cool. But I never call a D in it. That's why it's not saying any problems. We have an init. And then we have a D in it here. The init. Like so. Boom. That should. Doesn't say anything about. I'm pretty confident I'm not freeing everything I should be freeing. But it runs. And it's kind of weird, she usually complains that I'm not freeing what I should be freeing. And also, well, whatever. Git branch, git add dot. Push. No, that's... Well, yeah, actually we're done with it. Harold, you there? My boy? Oh, definitely. Such. See, I think he made a... Yeah, we can pretty much do all of this now. What is needed? I will be right back. I'm gonna check. I think we can now split so that we can add own custom stuff. But I'm gonna go and quickly make something to eat. I'm hungry as hell. So BRB.
I'm back yet again. Here. No, he's not there. Well, I'm here. Oh, I'm watching myself. How great.
Yo, Harold.
Uh,
Hello, I'm back.
Yes.
Oh shit! Wait,
Yes.
got the lights, BRB.
Mm.
Alright. So, now, I took a snack, I got hungry, alright?
Yeah, not allowed.
Damn it.
Very bad.
So, I was thinking, we guys basically got what we need now. Most of it, at least.
Oh, it's working.
Yeah. I don't know.
Okay.
Not with, I don't know, I think I don't know, I need to do a reset up of my actual headset, but besides that, it's pretty good. So, you there?
Yeah.
Your audio glitching, bro.
Sorry, my mic just cut out a bit.
You forgot that 45 degrees sometimes. So,
Yeah.
it's made the split loop somewhat. But yeah, I think I just need to reset up my, like, in Steam VR there's this thing called room setup. I think I just need to do a new one of those that it recognizes like how it should be, like where's the center.
Doesn't it like warn you whenever you like walk too close to a wall or something?
No, Steam VR does it. If you have like
Yeah, Steam VR does it. Yeah.
yeah. But anyways, now we can go to the actual implementation of what we should be doing, right? So,
Okay.
shall we start off by just creating the map and player movement, basically?
Yeah.
So,
Sure.
I can do the player movement because I think that will involve more of the whole thing.
Then
But
more. Yeah.
would you like to do the map?
The map.
Yeah.
Okay. Like random generated or what?
Yeah, let's discuss that.
Yes.
But we're still seeing it to be this kind of like, if you come to Miro.
Like a maze. Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
seeing on your stream.
Okay. Should we make it like a maze, or should we have like an open field, or should we just load in like a map, or how do you think?
Well, one of the easiest things to do is having like tiles, kinda.
Yeah.
You know, like big tiles that are maybe like 32 by 32 meters, and then you can just load in different ones, and they all like have the same level or whatever, like
Yeah.
the same terrain level in the corners and stuff.
It's I was
But
thinking.
like rooms are cooler.
Yeah. I was thinking just that. For example, if you do tiles, I don't
Mhm.
think we will have. Will we have gravity?
Well, I don't know, like how vertical are the levels gonna be?
No, I was thinking we would probably just go simple and flat. You know.
Yeah, well, gravity isn't very hard to make, to be honest.
No,
So,
but
like, we
the
could add it, I guess.
thing that one has to do is then collision downwards, and then you would have to do
Yeah,
collision
but you
check
know, we
for.
have an ECS man. It's
Yeah,
easy.
but I was thinking because if you do that, then you also have to keep track of. You don't want to do a collision check for every single tile if you are
Yeah,
like over
it's check the
here.
distance.
But then you have to check the distance for every single tile.
Yeah, well, computers are fast, so it doesn't matter.
No. And then also if you add enemies in, they also need to do that check for all of the tiles.
Well, you can use a sorting algorithm. Like, if you query for all of the ones that have transforms and all the ones that have collision, you can just sort it by the distance from the
Yeah.
current
But
entity and the rest, you know.
but
And
you
then,
still have to go through every single one of them and check their position compared to the entity's position, and you have to do that for every single entity.
okay, but like, let's say, like to put into well, like we also load every single vertex in, and we have to copy it around all the time, and there's like thousands upon thousands of vertices, you know. So I don't think
Yeah.
this will slow things down really, because computers are fast, you know.
Yeah. No, I was thinking if because
Yeah.
we could do like quad trees where you just have basically.
Well, those are kind of advanced.
No, they're not. Which if you put a enemy here, it will be like in this region of tiles, but it will also consider these ones. So if a tile is over here, it won't be considered. And then you know you can keep track on that and query just for these ones.
But we can query for everything and then just sort it.
But then you have to still go through every single one of them.
Well, no, not really. What you have to do is just check the distance.
Yeah, but you still have to go through all of them and get their this position and your position. And for every entity, you still have
Yeah.
to go through all of them. So if you have a
Not
10,000,
very hard.
if you have 10,000, and then also if you add walls or add other stuff here, there will be a lot of things that needs to be checked.
Well, like if that's a concern about performance, which I don't think it will be, then the best thing is not quad trees, it's compute shaders.
Compute shaders.
Yeah, you know, we can even rewrite it in assembly if you want for extra performance.
But I was thinking, if you don't have gravity, then you don't have to consider these ones for, like, you would get rid of all of the platforms, basically, as a collision check.
Still don't think it's gonna be too slow.
Mm.
And verticality is fun, so. But I don't know, like, depends what we're gonna
let's
do.
see
Like, having
let's see
flat works.
You can see the map first, And then we can see. I was thinking just that if we do quadris, that would have to be implemented kind of now, but we'll see. What is this? Ah. Anyways. So do we just. How do we plan to generate the map?
Well, it depends on if we're gonna do tiles or if we are gonna do like random rooms.
I think we could pretty much do just like Wolfenstein does it, you know, that 0.
I say, oh, you mean like that? Okay, okay. Well, that's different. I was thinking on larger scale, but yeah, okay, okay. Yes, I see, I see. Well, yeah, that shouldn't be too hard.
No. Yeah, but like, if you still wanna like, or like, what were you thinking?
Well, there's like, I don't know. Have you played Scrap Mechanic?
I have a little bit, but not enough to know probably what you're gonna ask about.
Okay, well, you know the worlds there. It's like a random tile that is like kind of big, like maybe I don't know, 100 by 100 meters or whatever. You can search Scrap Mechanic tiles, but then it just like picks a random tile, and also tiles have different sizes, but that's little overkill maybe for us. But like if you go to images, okay, well this wasn't. You know what? Go back to all. There was a pretty good image here. You see on the right there. Yeah, the kind of like that, and then you can just replace whatever you want with that. So it's like random tiles, but they all have the same level and they connect nicely, you know. But like if we're gonna do rooms like what you want, which I think is actually maybe a better idea, or like you know with small tiles and whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you wanna figure out like so we would have, but then you could just encode in like 0 value for empty space where you can walk.
Yeah.
And then for simplicity, you could just do 1 for wall, but maybe, or if you want to do some more
Well, I'm probably just gonna store it in like U8s or U4s maybe.
Yeah.
So we can have different tiles.
Yeah.
I don't know, like how many tiles do we think we're gonna have?
I don't know. It doesn't have to be like
Well,
you can make it a variable that you just pass in parameter for like width and height.
yeah, I guess, but like I kinda need like well, I can just use a U8. It's probably most space efficient and performant. So, but like the way I'm gonna generate, I think, is probably just pick some random spots, you know, on the map, and then just like expand a cube or like a square based
Yeah.
on that in
Yeah.
different directions, and then wherever that thing is, it becomes like a 0 tile. So it's there, you know. And if rooms combine, that's just good, I guess.
Yeah. Should we do an actual maze generator?
Well, if you want to walk around a maze all day, yeah.
No, I don't.
But yeah, exactly, you don't. Maybe we could use a maze generator and then put rooms on top. So it's like a
Yeah.
maze with rooms.
I guess that could work. So you would just generate some random maze and then you would pick a random position inside of the maze where you just clean everything. And that's a room. And then there's like
Yeah.
then it would be like random multiple entries to a room.
Yeah. And it's also like very windy hallways, which can be fun if there is like a lot of enemies. And rooms are kind of good
Yeah.
for fighting them and stuff.
Yeah, these could be like
Yeah.
one room is like the starting room kind of. And then you have
Yeah.
one maybe like I don't know, like treasure room. Like this is actually what all we need. We need to like objective, like thing that you need to get and then get back, you know?
Okay.
And that's
Wait,
basic.
so the target is to get from position A to position B
Yeah, and then back. And then you win, basically.
and then back. So it's like a retrieval thing, you know.
Yeah. And we could also,
Okay.
like, if we go further, we could have, like, maybe some extra room or something, like, bonus objective or boss or whatever. I don't know. But I think, like, beginning room and then just back. Like, this is what we need for now.
Okay, but what are you gonna get for like thing?
For now we could just make it like literally how do you draw a key? Yeah, this is a key by the way.
Well, okay, I can see.
Or some treasure, but that's basically the objective right now. You're gonna get the key. Fucking flying, leave my tea alone. It has been flying past here like 50 times the past 1 minute.
Damn, do you also have a shit ton of flies in your home?
Yeah, fucking hell.
Yeah. I had like 20, but then,
Then
put
one
up some
died.
fly traps.
Uh,
Well, and there's like one with 50 flies and like 60 banana flies or whatever they called in English, I don't know.
Bananflugor.
Yeah,
Banana, I
exactly.
think they're called banana flies, yeah, as well. But
Yeah,
that,
but this level thing here,
yeah,
just one thing about gameplay, are we gonna have like shooting weapons or is it just melee or?
I think we'll just have. We'll see, but shooting at least. Shooting wouldn't be too hard because we already have the direction where you point. Like we got that
Okay.
already. But and we got
Do
the
you
trigger.
want Do you want like dynamic things? Like I'm thinking if you had like trap tiles, and then there would be a button on the wall, maybe like a button tile or something. And then if you like activate that, it would power, and you could have like cable tile, and the cable tile, if that connects to the trap tile, then they, go up so that you could kill enemies and stuff with that.
Well, we can think about that later. I think right now we just need a simple.
Just room and maze,
Yeah.
yeah.
Should we also make it so that, or we could actually make the rooms generate a random path to connect with extra,
You could do that.
with then extra like random shit, so you're supposed to like find your way through a maze.
Uh,
Or we can also just have multiple ones that works too.
I don't really understood what you meant there.
Like, in a normal maze, you start at one point, you're supposed to find your way to the other point,
Yep.
right? But we could change that this, like, could be the rooms, basically, just like this. And then these
Yeah,
ones...
well, I was thinking maybe we wanted like more rooms like everywhere kind of, but there's still a lot of maze,
Yeah. Or we could just also do, like, we do the maze first, like, there's
Yeah,
really,
that's
like,
kind of
no point, and then you just randomly put in some points where the...
rooms.
Yeah, and then
Yeah.
there's, like, multiple paths.
Yeah, you could probably use Pearly Noise for the rooms, and get the spots that are the highest level, because then rooms don't merge into each other as much, I think.
Yeah.
But I don't know. Or could do like some...
Even that wouldn't be too crazy.
Yeah.
It would be kind of funny to just start a map and you're like, you start here and there's the key. Like, oh shit!
Oh, yeah. True.
That would be just funny.
Well, I have like an idea, and it's like if you would make the maze, and then you could have like small little I don't know, robots or something like it's not gonna be robots in the game, but like for the generation, and they kind of like walk through the maze, and every corner they kind of just spread out, they like clone and shit, and then like half of them become rooms or something.
But I think that's more opponent thing, so we'll keep just focusing on making the basic room. But that's a good idea.
Yeah.
I would put it
Yeah, I don't
right
know,
here on
I'll
the
have to
fridge.
Yeah, but do you want like water tiles, kind of like in Doom, where there's like a little thing that's a little bit lower down? Well, in Doom it's actually like in Doom, and there's like the poison water or whatever it is, like the green water. Search Doom game. Okay, maybe add exclamation mark D at the end.
Hello, Sirboso. No code, folks. I will not give you admin perms.
Yeah, okay, wait, here. The second image on the third row.
A third row. Here, this thing?
Yeah. Yeah. You see that? That's kinda, well, it's not really water, but it's something. Like, a little bit down. and it's like kinda
Yeah.
thing. I don't know.
Hmm.
But for now, I'll maybe just make the rooms and
Yeah.
stuff,
And I will
and then
just
I can come back to it.
yeah, and I will start making just some default player controllers.
Yeah. To be honest, I'll probably just make it in my like a little project, and then I just I don't know, give you the code and you can do whatever.
Well, you should be able to just like everything is still like quite separate. You just make it in the game folder.
Yeah, but doing it in Wallenstein is kind of annoying because there's so much debug stuff and a lot of Vulkan, and I think it's just easier for me to debug if it's a super small app and it's just doing
Oh,
the
sure.
train
However you
generation.
feel, it's both ways
Yeah.
works. All right, I will start making so you can actually move around.
Yeah, I guess I'll research maze generation.
Yeah, I need to still fix like why my headset doesn't do the right thing. Like I don't know why it just randomly started flipping. Don't know why. Hmm. Well, I will fix it. If there is water in Doom, it will get evaporated. Doomed. Yes. Ha.
For
For real, on God, on God. Actually, I should maybe look in how to get those textures so everything will not be purple, if I'm really honest.
Still haven't done it.
Yeah.
I think that's more important than the player, to be honest.
Okay, I will look. I will start getting the textures in.
Yeah, just tell me when you want help with the still image, like the loading.
Yeah, I think actually maybe we could do that first.
Yeah,
That
okay.
so because then I can
Well,
connect with the actual this thing.
yeah. So still image is do you have it installed maybe, or you? I don't know. You might have to install it.
Wait, so we're not gonna use this thing.
We are.
Okay.
That we are gonna use the asset manager.
Hmm.
You know what? I'll do this before the Mapian.
Okay.
So go to asset manager. Yeah, you're in here.
Yeah.
So we probably actually want this like model loading thingy into its own function, like completely,
So we
because we want textures and stuff to maybe not be in the same as models, right?
so we do load models, for example, this one,
Yeah,
and then we have load textures because this is literally just text models, and then we can call it.
yeah, but we you still want the init. I wouldn't recommend that you rename it to load models. Probably just keep it init for now.
Well, but as a manager,
Or not.
like I think at least makes sense to have like load models and init, load textures
Okay.
as from asset manager because there's really the asset manager doesn't really. Well, I guess you have this thing.
Wait, can you just make a live code session real quick?
I guess yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I will send it to you.
Thank you. Yeah, I think it's just gonna be easier if I just do it instead of explaining because yeah,
Damn.
I am really good at explaining.
Oh no, some guy named Harold.
Yeah, now
Cancel.
decline that guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. Great.
Grape.
I like that we still have this like VS code, but it's just empty. Like this .vs code.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah. That's
Also, I need to check one thing. This one should be. Oh shit, this one is still here. Shouldn't be here, but whatever. Where did you go? Where did you come from? Where did you go?
I mean asset manager.
So you do an init still, and
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
okay.
Oh damn, there's a lot of shitty.
That's just loading models. Models.
Yes, I know. Why do we store the model path lists?
Cheesecake put it there when he said it's a dangling pointer, but I don't know how it would be.
And it doesn't really matter because...
Yeah, I don't think we need
Well,
it. We can remove it from...
well, wait, I'm gonna actually look... Okay.
I think he just misunderstood what the problem was when we had issues with this thing, but...
Yeah.
He did fix it. Like I'm not shitting on him. Like he fixed the thing, but I think that maybe is not like necessary.
Yeah.
We can also remove that pen debug. I think that one is kind of like... Yeah.
Yeah. Well... Yeah, no, I'm not even gonna try to do that.
Try to do what?
Touch these find assets. I don't know what's going on. And I mean, if he fixed it somehow and it works, like, yeah,
the problem wasn't with the paths, it was with the things that we did inside of the function. We appended local memory to the list, and then, you know, the local memory got updated, and when you exited the function scope, you had the wrong memory inside of the thing. Yeah.
Okay, I see.
That's why we do a dupe of name now, because then it works.
I see. Okay. Well, I'm just not touch that. But I am wondering about well, that one. I don't know.
But you're still storing the model path. Okay. I wouldn't.
Yeah, like if he did he did that for some reason.
But it's not needed to store it, because it would make sense still to keep it as local, because you don't need it as soon as you're done from here.
Well, if you really insist.
Yeah,
so
I mean, I insist it will work. And it's just unnecessary.
I mean, I don't know what's really going on anymore, so yeah.
Yes. Like, we can even do a test run after. So now this should still work the same, right? Because the only thing you changed is just moved it to load models and storing this locally.
Yeah, you can probably test it now if you want.
Wait, where did we... because it goes into load models.
Works the same.
Yeah, and then here you... Context...
okay, I see.
Expected, and it found a point. Shouldn't it... yeah, no, it should be a pointer,
Yeah, that's fine.
Boom, there it is.
Okay. And well, now for the fun stuff.
Fun stuff.
I'm just wondering about organization for the load models. Well,
1, 2,
yeah, okay.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So that should be good. And now we need the load textures.
Yeah, you just need to load them. I will then make them actually stored in the Vulkan. So the Vulkan knows what the fuck is going on.
Yeah.
So sad it had to crash. Because now it will look so weird on my stream, you know, there will be a 4-hour stream and another 4-hour stream.
Oh yeah, that I was looking at your stream before and I was like, 51 minutes? That doesn't feel right. But okay, yeah, that makes sense.
It's okay.
Yeah.
The thing is, that the only thing that matters is that you have to get back. You know, everything else is irrelevant.
Yeah. Sure.
If you know how to get back, you don't have to care about anything else.
Yeah, that's why Git exists.
Yeah, exactly. I'm waiting for Lucas' script to drop. Should I make my own programming language? Maybe one day. I don't think I will though. It's I think there's already so many beautiful languages like C and Zig out there in the world. I don't think there needs to be any other languages than those. I'm happy as they are, you know. Okay, of course they could be improved, but I'm like, it's not like
Zig
frustrating.
casting.
Yeah, but I'm like, C is beautiful, all right.
Yeah.
I love C. C is amazing. But Zig is also pretty fucking cool. I think C. I like C's more unsafe way of doing stuff, that you can do stuff that are not safe. But see, Lucas. But Zig is also pretty cool with how, like, because Zig doesn't allow me to do stupid shit unless if like it's like obviously readable, like unless if it's like through code readable that you're trying to do something very pathetic. Well, C can allow you to just do some weird address access that Zig will not let you do. Yes, I will take care of that. It's basically the same stuff, but it also will have a VK image.
Yeah.
But I will take care of that. Don't worry about it.
Do we want a replacement texture?
Nah. One thing I was thinking about is that we should load in colors either way. Like we should have colors even though we load textures. Do you know why?
No.
Because with colors we can change the you can change the transparency either way if you just have textures, but you can also change if you want it to be tinted, you know, a little bit red or green or something like that.
Okay. And when we're gonna use that?
Fragment shaders. And also, it also kind of works if you don't have a texture. You can always just put some specific color for debugging or something like that.
Yeah. Also, 1 second, I'll be back.
One. Damn, this guy doesn't know his seconds. Let's see, what did he do? Hello, how is it going? Hello, Joe Vlog. Alex. Nailed it. Alright. It's going alright. I don't know. I think I broke my VR headset. Well, I don't know if I broke it, but it seems like it's not recognizing my base stations correctly or something. Like it just flies off like crazy when I try to do stuff, which is weird. I don't know.
That's a
Yeah, it's a big F. How do we load the textures for this thing?
well, we aren't doing it yet. I'm gonna do that now.
Did you already
So
add like to the project or wait what?
no, I haven't added STL stuff. And also, there's one little thingy. The build system for this project is old.
Okay.
Like hello.
Okay.
But I won't update it now, but just like in the future. So yeah, just so you know.
Well. Okay. I don't think we will change it. If we don't change it now, we probably never will, because this project is not meant to be anything like big, you know. It's just supposed to be for learning how to make an extra application or game. So
Yeah.
Alright, I don't know. What did you have other plans?
Nah.
Nah.
But it's still good to update the build system in case they just removed some features like that we are using.
But
you know.
then you would have.
So,
But
yeah.
did we just tell that you have to use an old version of Zig if you want to compile the project?
Nah, bro, we don't do it like that. It's bad.
No. It's okay. You know, it's not. We are not.
No.
We're not
Very
gonna.
unokay.
We're not gonna handicap our future self just because we. Like, this is a project that will probably not continue to be maintained. Unless if something weird happens. Yes, sure. But I don't know.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a project that is gonna be started and then completed and then it's left.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, we're using some modern features. Okay, well, you know what? The guys actually kind of cleaned this up somewhat.
Well, where did you get all this shit from?
I'll watch it.
Where did you get all of this stuff from? You just had all of a sudden pasted in a bunch of columns. Oh wait, you're in the build file. I was like, what the fuck? What? Okay, never mind.
Okay. Where? Oh yeah, we don't have we don't have a module really. Okay.
We do have
like
root module.
yeah, no, but like like if we would organize this in a good way, we would make a separate module for the engine and another one for the exe. But doesn't matter.
Oh. We can do it next time when we start the next project.
Wow, no LSP kinda sucks.
Oh yeah. What are you trying to do? Stuff. Okay. Cool. I think we should probably remove the eye count as a what was it as a
build option.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Because it's not really like it's not even used anymore. Anywhere anymore. Bruh.
It's not used anywhere. Okay, well
Yeah.
then we can remove it.
Yeah, or it should not be used any. Well, it's one place it's being used, but I think I will just change it to constant too, because this is just pathetic.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna clean this up a bit.
Okay.
But you're free to do whatever in the asset manager now. The basics should be set up.
So wait, if I run the thing, it should load the textures, but it shouldn't like actually store them anywhere.
Well, that's not loading the textures yet.
that's kind of what I need to do.
Yeah, but
Because-
that's gonna be easy. It's no problem.
okay, so you have load
Oh, I see.
textures, and then from textures.
Ah,
Yeah, I'm just gonna speak loudly, so don't worry about it. I'll create a new folder,
yeah.
textures. Do you have textures for the barrel and the dragon and so on?
No. Well, the basket I do.
Basket you do. Gimme, gimme, gimme,
Yeah, but
gimme.
it's kinda broken. Okay, one sec.
Broken texture?
Yeah, well, it's the UV technically.
Yeah, but wait, but do you have the? Okay.
Uh,
Vertex normal.
yeah.
Vertex texture. Yeah, the basket has all of the information to do it, so you should be able to.
Yeah, but you know, I would recommend that you just pick some random texture. Like the basket texture isn't very good. Well, I like. Do you
Well,
want
like
it really?
I guess I could just put some random image in there. I don't know.
Well, I guess I can give you the basket, but still, the UV is a bit broken.
That's okay. That's okay. What do you mean the UV is a bit broken?
You'll see.
Okay, lol.
They are JPEGs though, but they still image supports everything, so it's fine.
Yee.
JPEGs are better
Yee.
than PG,
Yee.
bro.
Yee. I will throw away this pen because it's broken. And it's not good that I have broken pen on my desktop because I just break it more and then I have pen pieces everywhere. Here we. Shit. Alright, I'm back.
Nice.
Well, so you're not gonna upload that text. I'm just gonna get some random texture then. Or
Nah, I sent it to you.
you couldn't.
Yeah, because like my clipboard doesn't really work.
Oh wait, you need two
You know,
different
Phoenix.
kinds of textures for this thing?
No, no, no. One is for basket and another one is for grass, you know, in case. Because
Ah.
grass is always good to have.
Yeah, we love grass.
Yes.
Save image. I'm just gonna put it in. Oh, I guess I can do it directly in here. I can go home. But should we still do this in the live code session now or?
Yeah, I'm just gonna clean up the build system for a bit and
Okay.
then I'll leave it.
Okay. Why is there an asset copy? Why do we have asset copy? Should
Okay. What do you mean asset copy?
Oh, there! Look, we have basket diff, bush, grass diff here already.
Oh, well, that's great. Bush you can remove because that's for a very specific model.
No, we can still use it.
Well, maybe I just accidentally added it like a long time ago.
Yeah. Move it in there. Boom. Okay, and then I can go back to asset manager and I can go here, assets texture. Let's see. Then we'll say, do I now just put the extension to be JPEG?
Yeah. I guess we're using JPEGs and not PNGs, I guess.
Yeah, at least this one is JPEG. I don't know, man.
Yeah. But we like the best file format is actually WebP.
Fucking Christ. I hate it. Why does it even exist?
No. What, bro, WebP is the best. It's literally the most space efficient. Has animation support in a high quality. It has transparency. It's smaller than JPEGs. So, you know, it's
Every,
like every good thing about everything.
every time I try to use somewhere, it's not supported.
Yeah, because no one has it's kind of new, you know, but it's good.
Bruh. I always have to like the only place where it's support is Photoshop, so I can convert it to a PNG.
Um,
And okay, what did you do up here? You have textures. Okay, I will just see. So this one goes through. Wait, but this one will give us each path, and I will have to do a for loop for each. Yeah, same as we do here. Yeah. Well, I'll just do a for local paths. Then we'll capture path. And I will go that. I will put this in here. And then we'll do std print debug dot print load texture, and then we can do this, and I can say path. Shows capture. Oh wait, I'm already going. What am I saying? What am I doing? Bruh. Local.
bam. And now the still image should be set up, and I fixed some beautiful imports.
Alright.
And I should probably remove the account thing. But you will probably have to download a CL3 image. Because you
Yeah.
don't have it probably. But on Arch, I'm not sure how it is. Maybe you can just download it through Pacman or EA.
Can't you just
I
get
don't know.
into the project through GitHub like we do with the other, like SDL and what do we else use? Your.
Well, those are bindings.
Mm,
SL3 doesn't really have a binding, I don't think.
hmm.
But yeah.
Paul just got the VR. Woo!
Correct.
Now we have to deliver this thing. Ship it quickly, as it is.
As it is. Oh well, that ain't much.
And then I will also just say CTX. Like so. And let's see. That should be pretty much it, right? So if I now, this should go through each and every one of them and say the, I'm just gonna add an extra new line in the beginning. So load texture, and it should say this texture.
Only thing, it's not gonna compile because you don't have a still free image.
Bruh. Where's the music?
But that's a good question.
3 image Arch Linux.
The second one, probably. I don't know. That's
Yeah.
STL. STL is different.
Yeah.
You want STL image.
It usually contains all of the information that this includes. Like
this is STL too.
It's a module. The modules are in separate packages. This includes. Yeah.
This is STL 2. We want STL 3.
Well, we'll see if I compile without.
This yes, here we want. Well,
Yeah,
it's gonna throw.
Let's see. No field member function links build module.
Maybe I misspell it because I don't have thing. Wait, can you maybe? Well, no, I can do it once.
Libarari. You don't even know how to spell apparently.
No.
Libarari.
That's why I have autocomplete.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, but I spell so bad that not even autocomplete knows what I'm trying to say.
Now it's good.
Alright. C import failed.
Yeah.
File not found. Yeah, so now it doesn't find.
And also libc. I should probably link with that. Wait, I am linking with libc. Wait, where?
How long? I will get the. this one in the meantime. Let's see. Still 3 image. This is user. So, yay. Download. Sure. No.
It's so scuffed that this loader loads all of the seed stuff, but also not. And it does like a bunch of other stuff also, but oh,
And also not.
yeah, I don't know. Everything's so scuffed. Oh, you have to build from source too? Well, me too.
Alright, so now we'll try again. Bam, 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 bam. We should make Minecraft 2.
I agree. Ah, yes, I know. Oh, why was stupid flying? It's annoying.
Oh, you also have a fly. What is
Yeah,
his
well,
name?
I don't know. His name is Death,
Ah,
because they should die.
my name is Peter.
Nice to meet you.
I just realized like how fuck I was like fuck that sentence.
Yeah.
Damn it. Mine's name
Bam.
is Peter. There, now I nailed it.
Right.
Root source file struct has no member named img load. Maybe I can check that real quick. Where do we have?
Oh, I don't know. It's because there should be a uppercase L in the load.
Like so. Ah! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Yes.
Root source has no. Let me check. I have autocomplete, right? So I got this. There's no such thing. Maybe do I need to do SDL? Image.
No. It's just image load. Can you go into tools and then like generate one of them? It's the one with the C import. I think it's base. Yeah, maybe this one.
Yeah.
Wait, this is the one that we're importing everywhere, right?
The loader, yeah. Yeah.
Okay, and this. Okay. Well, you see, I do have the. Well, it's not in either one. Wait. Maybe that's the issue.
So run now.
Yeah, try now.
Oh yeah, we need to panic. I forgot.
Too bad.
Look at
Ta-da.
that. Now we just need to see that. Let's set up panic. So we'll just see in the asset manager. So after we are done with the init, load here. We will just say at panic lol. What did you change, by the way, for it to run?
I just added the C include in another place. Also, one thing, this import is actually deprecated. So, yeah.
No, if you want to change it, you can, but it runs, so I don't care.
Well, I only want to do it if I have LSP, which I don't have, so.
Maybe I should tell the string, actually, not just the bytes.
You can also just print out the width.
Oh, wait, what? No. Let me just.
You can print out the width and all that.
Let's do strings. We'll just see the name first. Why are you slaying chickens, bro?
Oh, that doesn't give the name. Where does it?
It does. Perfect. So it loads the shit.
Oh, yes, that's a local path. Oh yeah.
Yeah. Can we? And then this one loads the actual thing, right? So we can also say the.
I'm actually gonna print out some data for you so you can see if it works.
Alright, cool. Man, like, I don't know, Minecraft is such a freaking cool concept. Like, how it's, like, code-wise, like, just like voxels and like all of the entities just works within that whole thing. Like I don't know, like it's so cool. And then the generation of like all of the structures, the decorations, trees, you know, and then how it's just perfect for multi-threading also. Like it's just such a beautiful thing, you know, code-wise, and also it's a lovely game. I wanna get back to making a Minecraft clone. This time in Zig. But I also have like so
Yeah.
many other things that I don't. Ah man. But VR is cool as well. Not gonna lie, VR is cool.
Bam. Try now.
All right.
VR is pretty cool, but it's also not very useful, and OpenXR kinda sucks.
I think it's just me that sucks.
Yeah. No, it's OpenXR, man.
Let's see.
Oh. Wait, scroll down. It's...
Image load. Return or else.
Okay, I just removed the URLs then.
Yeah. Like VR is pretty cool, but I think I just. It's like I just did it because I wanted to see how to make an actual VR game. Segmentation fault. Something is. Is this a null pointer that we're trying to dereference here? Should we maybe check that it's not?
We can check.
Yeah. Fuck.
Here's for safe.
I don't think we need
that should
double.
be...
Alright.
Yeah.
Fuck texture is bad. Thread panic. Fuck. Yeah. So it is null. What are the reasons it could be null? Do we actually... The path is correct
Bad path.
but the path was correct when I...
Well, the question is also, is there anything there?
Well, yeah, how else would it get the thing?
True. Well... maybe it's a PTR that ruins it. Wait, what are we doing up here? Alright, we actually are using a normal string. And so the question was, how did we make a Zig texture into a C texture?
Why do we need to make it into... Like... What? What does this function return? Doesn't say.
It returns on STL surface.
But oh, with an SDL surface. But that should still like not be a problem then, right?
Well, so you can maybe get LSP, but probably not. But I don't know.
Does it actually return as? But how did I? Oh yeah, because we use an SDL. Bruh. I'm stupid. But okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
But yeah. Like, this ain't gonna help it though, but...
No, it's still...
I don't know.
I would like to just be able to like hover and read the actual code, what it does, but bruh, I can't.
There is a thing you can do.
What can I do?
It's press Control Shift P.
Control Shift P.
Now you do slash. USR.
USR.
Slash. Include. Slash. Uppercase STL. Free. underscore image lowercase. Like lower, yeah, exactly. Slash STL uppercase. And then underscore image.h. Lowercase image.
Like so.
Try that maybe. Okay, can you maybe do like find or grep on STL underscore image.h? Do the STL image .h.
Wait. Oh, you mean just the dot h like this?
Yeah.
What did you say? Find?
Well, you can do find. Well, you have to do some more stuff. It's find slash, because that's where we're finding from.
Okay.
So you do find slash, and then dash name. Then put the STL image.h in quotations. And then, because we don't want errors, we can do space 2, then greater than, slash dev slash null. This will pipe the error
Yeah, it takes from the
thing into null.
STE2, which is the error output,
Yeah.
and puts it into null, which is just discard. Tab.
Yeah, exactly.
User include SDL. Did I just do a typo from what you just said that should do?
Maybe, but you can open it. You can just copy from there, I guess. And then you can go to this code and do Control-Shift-P and then just enter, or you can do new. Yeah. Well, you want to find image load. Yeah. Well, it's actually like uppercase IMG underscore uppercase L and then lowercase load, like the rest, you know. Yeah. You probably you want to find the implementation. Yeah, that's here, I think. Yeah. Yeah, I go to the STL surface. Yeah, I know, but go to the STL head, STL surface maybe. You can probably search STL surface, to be honest. Maybe do type def before, because there's gonna be a lot of STL. Do type def. Struct.
There's no such thing. Type.
Can you go to the top and see what headers they are including? Yeah, okay. Well, I know what is in the STL surface though.
It's fine, it's fine. What's up to now? Still refactoring? No, we're trying to load textures and make the actual map and player movement. But first textures.
Wait, what is the Zig fault? Was it like 0,
yeah, it was
8,
0. It was 0x0.
Oh.
Yeah.
That could be an issue with not linking with libc. Because when you forget to link with libc and the AC library is dependent on it, it will just segfault.
Oh yeah, I never asked what is the game concept.
Yeah.
It's if you know Wolf, like we are just making actually something funny, just what we think is cool, and just trying to learn OpenXR was this whole main point. But do you know Wolfenstein kind of, or Doom game? Probably you do. Basically, our idea is just to make you start in one point and you have an objective to retrieve something from here. and it will be kind of like a maze-like path, and there will be some enemies along the way, which you will just have to go and get, and you will just kill stuff, and then you will just read the thing and get back. Nothing too complicated.
Yeah.
That's basically.
It should be fixed also. Done.
What? Oh, you connected libc? What did you do?
Well, that wasn't really the issue, and I knew that wasn't the issue, but I fixed it, I think.
Let's see. No, still.
Okay, well, maybe not.
Uh,
Well, that
let's print out the actual.
Right.
Let's just reconfirm that the path is actually correct. I'm getting doubtful about it now. So just before this,
I think there should be like in the image load thing. I think there should be like a check path.
check path. I don't know. Image loading. Well, could we add that also?
Well, I'm not sure what it was named, but I can find out.
Alright, you do that? Well, and I will just decipher this one. But, whoa, where did I go? Ha ha ha. Right. Now it's screen. That is // asset texture basket div JPEG. I mean, it's. I'm just gonna try this. I want to learn Vulkan with Zig. Do you have anything to recommend? Do you have any experience with Zig or Vulkan and Vulkan?
Me?
The guy over at Twitch.
The guy.
Like,
Yeah.
or something low-level programming or any
Like
graphics.
a tip is just use web GPU.
It's just so I know kind of like, and what do you want to create? Just a little bit of info about that, maybe. I remember somebody porting the original Doom in VR. A Doom-like game sounds fun. Yeah, it's just for fun, basically creating it. I think after this project, we will try to make something a little bit more serious. I think we are getting kind of to a point where we can try to do that. So, yeah.
I hade som error checking.
But that's basically just what I do at the top, but you just do it if it's an error.
You'll see what happens.
Do you have any ideas what
Yeah.
your serious project is gonna be? I think like serious, it's like I just wanna
The biggest engine
big ass engine.
with AI.
Basically that's it, but it's gonna be kind of like in small incremental steps. The plan is just to make a bunch of like small funny projects, and at the same time developing kind of like some engine, not a game engine directly. I think we will, like every time we implement something new, like I think I wanna try out AI stuff as well, and it would be in what's it called? Integrated to the engine, quote unquote. And like just like every time the goal is to make a small project, and then so the first project will make a game engine basically that is just for this game, and the next time we'll make another small game which will have to slightly modify the engine, and then another one, and another one, and another one. It always they will modify slightly. And then I also want to try out some AI stuff. So that means that when I do that, it will also modify the engine so it can also have that module component inside of it. That's the goal.
You know the plugin thing about the CSS, that I think that would be kind of good for your idea because it's so modular.
Probably, and that's gonna be the serious thing, I guess. But it's just gonna be a fun way of just like creating a bunch of small, funny concept games that I would like to create, and I will start from the simplest. I hate 2D games, and
Same.
I don't know, man, but I think I also want to try to make one. So I think the next game will be, or next thing we will do Vulkan and Zig, but it will be a 2D game, which will be kind of funny because I have only done 3D so far. So we'll see how it goes. Like a 2D game is not like it's just ignoring the depth dimension, but I think we can do it kind of like 2.5 in the sense that we can still utilize the depth dimension for the like
Background.
yeah. What the fuck was that response? Or like perplex, what is it called, distance rendering or something like that.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Or if we want to for some reason put a 3D object in there, we can still do it, you know. I think like still allowing 3D, but you just make a 2D game, you just render a 2D plane, like you just put sprites or whatnot. And yeah, I think it would be like it. I think I like the idea because you would just aim to make simple games and just continue building on top of the engine for every project. Like the main point is not to make the engine. The engine will be a byproduct of all of the games that we will make on top of it. I started learning Vulkan in order to create system more like a library than an engine, where each level of abstraction is modular and works without having to integrate
Hello,
the rest
and
of
please
your
don't ghost this VR game.
That sounds kind of fire, but also very hard to make.
Modular works without having to integrate the rest of your systems into it. Yeah. Nice. What do you use, by the way, for audio? I'm thinking of using SDL, but Harold telling me we should use OpenAL.
Oh. OpenAL or Fmod. Bro, SDL audio is so trash.
Hello, please don't ghost this VR game. Like, the VR game will be completed, and then that's it. Like, how I do with all of other my projects, I just leave them after that I have achieved their purpose. Like, I'm kind of like, I want to move on to another thing and try it out. I don't know, I don't stay on the same thing that long. Like, this is probably the longest I have stayed. Well, I guess the Vulkan Minecraft thing I stayed on for a few months, but I did like new stuff on it. Yeah. Though I'm not sure if it's both. It seems like a tough engineering task, but I think that's what makes it worth it. Like, if it's tough, if it's hard, you know, because then it kind of the thing that makes it worth it, you know, like you endure it and you make something cool, and because it's hard is why it's cool, because so many other people would just not do it because it's hard, and you're like, I did it, fuck. I have a bit of experience with Zig, but I have 2 to 3 years of experience with C. I've been learning Zig for a month now, so the transition is pretty easy, if that's what you mean by context. Yeah, then Vulkan for you shouldn't be too hard. I think it will be like, because I also started
Learning now.
I know module name build options available within module root.
Yeah, because I removed the build options.
Yeah. What?
As you wanted.
But we still. Oh yeah. So we also just removed that. But wait, this thing, Vulkan tutorial. This one is legit the best. Like, of all of the things I have read on Vulkan and tutorials and shit, this one is legit like the best thing to do. You can do it. You can follow this thing through within a week if you have sea experience and like nothing else. Like I think it's you can do it within a week and you like just quickly skimming through it and then do it another time where you actually read it. Vulkan is much more threatening than it is. Wait, than it actually is. Wait, Vulkan is much more threatening than it actually is thanks to the 300 line setup. I think you mean 3000 line setup, right?
Yeah, 300 lines. Bro, what's this?
I think you missed
Are
a
you
zero
like-
there, bro.
Yeah, I think it is a 0 there. 300 lines, that's a entire OpenGL renderer.
But I'm just gonna call you Alex. Just I think you should be really sure about that you want to do stuff with Vulkan, because if you like Vulkan is so much more than just using anything else. Like it's if you just want to create something, I don't think you should go for Vulkan. Like, if you want to go for Vulkan, that's just because almost like you just want to be that hardcore, or you already have a lot of experience and you just want to upgrade your skills. Like, there isn't really I think, like you can achieve what you want with OpenGL, or even just using a built, already done game engine, or whatever else.
Web GPU.
Or web GPU.
Web GPU.
But
It's the solution.
Vulkan is just like, it's so much more what you need to do, and if you just want to get something done, I wouldn't recommend to use Vulkan.
Check private.
Private.
Yeah, install STL3.
Bruh, but I don't wanna.
It's easy though, and the STL3 is very useful to have, so.
I think I actually have it installed, don't I?
Nope.
Pacman.
You have STL2, probably.
No, I have SDL3. Like I can
really?
even do Q. Yeah, I have SDL3 installed.
Okay, where the hell do you have that installed?
Where is SDL3?
Do STL.
It's in user include SDL3. But it's not in my path variable, I think.
Okay,
No,
because that's not really where STL3 usually is.
Well, I haven't. That's just where it's put it.
Remove that shitty package and just build it, man.
No, I wanna use my package manager.
Bro, every Linux user who is new wants to use a package manager, and then everyone who is medium as it is okay, sure. But the real ones, they only build from source.
I was thinking about that, but why would I use a package manager in the first place in that case?
No, that's just for weak people.
Exactly. Fuck. My brain. Fuck my brain.
Yeah, and if you're lazy.
fuck. Package manager. There, got it. But I can just export. Isn't just path equals path, dollar path. And then I can just do colon, and then I just add this one. Boom. So now if I do echo path, boom, there it is. And then I should be able to, well, now we include it. So now I don't know what the problem is.
Really?
What Lamau? The thing is, OpenGL is deprecated. WebGL is great for getting stuff done with graphics, but if you value big skill and job security, Vulkan definitely seems like the way to go. Value big skill, that definitely came out wrong. I mean, the value having a high skill cap. Yeah, like, well, yeah. When was the last update for OpenGL? 2016? Am I wrong?
2022.
Was it 2022?
Or 2021 or something like that.
Is it actually? I thought it was like already last OpenGL up. Is it called update? What is it called?
Yeah, call it update, yeah. Or release.
Find.
Maybe you do exclamation mark D at the end of the search. Like if you don't find anything good in Brave, just go to DuckDuckGo. Do like OpenGL's latest release date, or like update release date.
Latest release date. Last specific version was 4.6, was released in 2017 after a
Oh well, seems like I was
3-year
wrong.
break
Okay.
and was limited to inclusion of 11 existing RB. Vulkan was 2016, started 2016, Open just ended 2017. Yeah. Lucas
Yeah, but they basically just like added compute shaders because they realized that those are kind of useful, and then they kind of just left it.
Cheesecake sent me this. What is this?
Something.
There's an anal unit now.
Okay.
Bruh. Cronus Group has stopped developing. Understand. Yeah, but yeah, I think anyone can learn Vulkan. Well, I'm kind of like always like that. I believe anyone can do anything and learn anything. It just depends.
But I can fly.
Yeah, I believe so. But it's like just how bad do you want the thing? Like it's like if you don't if you just don't like if your goal is to make a game, don't do any of this stuff. Just go to an engine. Like I'm not saying that to give up on graphics program. I'm saying that really know what the thing you want to achieve is, and then do that. Don't do all of the other things. Like for me, I really wanted to learn low level graphics, like how they work. So and people still told me like go for OpenGL first and learn that, but that's the point. I didn't want to learn that. I wanted to learn Vulkan, so I went for Vulkan directly, even though I didn't know shit. But fuck it.
Yeah. Also, I have no idea about this STL image thing.
Let's see. What is this? Do you know what ATL wiki is?
Isn't that just to learn about stuff?
Non-profit organization with all probable reliable information resource users to available levels of Linux and what is FOSS software?
Free and open source software.
I'm not yet that consumed about like Linux, about free and open source, like.
Yeah, I don't really care about that shit either. I have
Yeah.
proprietary NVIDIA drivers.
Yeah.
That's like enough to kill basically half of the Linux users' hearts.
Like, it's like, I'm not that hard. I use Arch Linux, but yet I'm not like that hardcore somebody would assume a Linux user would be. Okay, but let's figure out this thing. So, where we are at. Wait, let me just get it so we can get it from the start. Okay, so I'm here.
Man, just build SL free from scratch, bro. Like
no,
the Pacman package you downloaded sucks.
No.
Yes.
Hello, spinning cubes. They sent the angry. It's like meh. Lucas referring to Foss. My heart is in fact broken. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to break your heart.
Blame it on me or something.
Yeah, that's Harold's fault. It's Harold.
Yeah.
Harold is cool, but he doesn't like open source.
Me after saying that FOSS is not important.
Wait, you have them like two separate ones, so you play the first one. Then,
Yeah.
oh my god. Okay, I see. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna ChatGPT this thing now because I'm like it's probably
Yeah,
what you're
it's
saying.
gonna tell you. Yeah,
It's
it's
probably
what
gonna
I'm
tell me
saying,
the
man.
thing that you're telling me right now. Wow. I don't think it's an update wouldn't really help much here. Oh, okay. So I have to build, but why? Doesn't this project come with SDL already? Like, don't we have it already in the?
Unimportant, doesn't matter. Don't care about it.
But
Nah, but it's like the SL image wants their C SDL, but the SDL
oh, we have
thing has
the
its own SDL that it builds, and that's SDL uses
yeah.
the SIG build system, and they don't know each other.
Bruh. Okay. Well then, I just do SDL 3, right?
Use yeah SDL free.
And
The GitHub.
the GitHub. Is this the official GitHub? Probably,
Yeah,
right?
use clone this.
Where do I clone it? Where is a good place to have it if I do a clone?
Download.
But there, I don't have the path variable in download.
Don't think about it. Just you don't just go to download.
Bruh. Okay.
Now you do git. Why don't you clear out your download?
I don't know. I use some stuff from there.
Mm.
I'm still kind of transitioning from Windows. You know, like you don't really clear your downloads folder. It's just temporary shit. You know, you never think about it.
Bro, my
What are you
I
saying?
download is like I maybe have 5 files there at max.
Oh,
Well,
if you would see my Windows download folder, it's probably like 50 gigabytes or something like that.
bruh.
Like we're talking like thousands of files probably. Okay. Oh yeah, one of my
Now you CD into that.
wait. Oh yeah, one of my dreams is that if I get a lot of money, I want to learn hardware driver manufacturing for GPUs and make my own GPU. That's pretty fucking sick. Damn. And then make your own Kronos group, right? And become a vendor, right? Wait, yeah. Now I got that.
Go into the STL, and I'm gonna send you something.
But there's a C make. Is there a build? Yeah, they just use C make.
Just copy what I sent.
Oh no, what?
Copy what I sent. It's a
Build,
script to destroy your entire computer. Just copy it.
but bro, that will I not just build it in my uh in my downloads folder now? That doesn't make any fucking sense.
No.
Why would I do that?
It's gonna just hear me out.
Oh wait,
You know you can just copy all of that.
no. Usually it doesn't work for me.
I it should work.
Check it. Why did you choose Arch? But Lucas needs to be a FOSS. No. Let me just uninstall the SDL I already got first. Sudo pacman. Was it R? Yeah. SDL 3. Wait, what? Was it just SDL? SDL 3? Failed to prepare, could not satisfy.
Just force it.
But let me
There
just...
should be like a thing so it doesn't care about its dependencies.
Oh no, I will take these ones as well. 3.
What? But you wanted a free image.
But these are now different stuff. Let me just remove them.
Okay, sure.
What the? Failed to prepare transactions. Whatever. Okay. Ah.
Wow,
Is it
Arch is so good. I can't even uninstall my packages.
because they are dependent? This is why you don't. Well, it is good, okay? I'll just.
Yeah, no.
You will probably build it in a different path anyway. It's not relevant. Why did you choose Arch? I chose it because I wanted to go over to Linux, and then I spoke with a guy who uses CentOS, and he said that Arch is pretty fucking
Gen
cool.
2 supremacist detected.
Yeah, and he taught me about Arch Linux and showed me the ropes, and yeah, I actually like. I just like it. That's so. There's like, of course, there's like a lot of things that break, but I think the more you get used to it, you kind of, not that it breaks, but you kind of learn how the system works. Things
Now
doesn't
you just
break.
learn how to just avoid breaking stuff, which means don't update your shit.
What you know the thing I done run on a daily basis is updating my shit.
Yeah, but
Uh,
your own Arch is a bit different on Ubuntu.
uh,
It's the reverse.
but I actually, you kind of get used to how to like how the system works, so you don't break it anymore. And if it breaks, you kind of know where to start fixing it, and it's.
No,
I
bro,
like
I
it.
just have backup everywhere.
I
Not
don't I
backup
don't,
of
I
my
don't have any
system.
backups. I'm like, if this thing
No, no,
dies, it dies.
no. I mean, I used to have everything accessible by mouse and keyboard in case one of them breaks. That has happened to me. My keyboard was like just detached from Linux. It's a laptop, so I don't know how that happened, but yeah. And then I was like, I don't have any keybinds. I mean, any mouse stuff I can do really. So I'm just stuck here. But then I just waited like a day, and then it fixed itself. So I don't know.
Alright. So now I do Zig build.
Mm-hmm.
We still have the same issue. I never find
Right.
dynamic as still using fat. I did install it over here though, so except yeah.
Did it though? Can you search for libstl.so?
You can see it right here.
Hmm.
Ah, but this is an
Okay,
old terminal, bruh. It doesn't have the updated.
Oh yeah, true.
No wait, but the path shouldn't matter because the path is already there. Ah,
You never know, man. Just do whatever.
yeah. Now Kronos Group can keep their standards. Vendor is more what I'm thinking. Kronos Group is just a conglomerate of big corps anyway. NixOS is better in my opinion, both easier and more stable. I haven't tried. I've only been on Windows and then on Ubuntu, Arch Linux. Have I tried other OS? I don't think I have tried any other OS. Or like
Not
distros.
Android.
Well, I guess Android.
Not Nokia OS.
No, well, I had a Nokia a flip phone, you know, back in the days, you know, before it was
Damn, you're
cool.
old.
Hey, before it was cool to a flip phone, you know, because now it's cool to a flat, you know, a smartphone that is a flip phone.
A flip flop.
Flip flop. But how is this possible that it says that unable to find dynamic system library using strategy path first search path? Because it's trying to find this, then it's trying to find this, then it's trying to find this, and I have user local libsdl, right? It's right there. SO.
Yep.
It's there. And then it tries to do A. Well, A I don't have. Then it tries to do this, but that's I don't have. Or apparently, I don't know. Maybe it's somewhere else, I don't know. Anyways, it's not there. So it should have found this thing, but it didn't. I went straight from Windows to Arch. Honestly, it's never broken on me, so I don't know what anyone's talking about. It's more of a setup. and it's done. Pretty much. I've had it broke because of using... Well, it's not the Arch Linux directory per se that broke, but... yeah. Can you run this on your machine if I push it?
Sure.
Which branch am I on? Branch. Poll system. I think I will just continue git add dot commit dash m. It should be on another branch xd git push. So poll system, it is everything lowercase.
Okay.
Do you dismiss
Poll
me?
system.
Code folks, you type too much, I can't follow up everything you say. Zig metaprogramming is great for Vulkan, by the way. Ooh, we should try that then, maybe. I don't know. I'm not.
What's
I don't.
there to meta program?
Yeah, I haven't done metaprogramming more than reading what Harold's code has done.
Only meta programming could do in Vulkan would be way too advanced, so it would just be bloated.
I mean, couldn't it kind of work with the setting up of the graphics pipeline?
How?
I mean, if you're gonna have multiple ones.
Yeah, I guess.
More for device and extension setup.
Yeah, that's fair. But kinda useless. Unless you're making it pretty.
Huh.
Well, it could be useful for vertex attributes though.
I guess, yeah, exactly. But I guess we are not that advanced yet where we would need it yet. But I think we will probably get to that point, right? So.
Yeah.
Man, Zig is so fucking cool. Like, I don't really need to study more on this metaprogramming. Like, Jesus Christ. When it comes to the configuring stage of stuff, metaprogramming in general is useful. Yeah. We need somebody... Somebody who... Do we have somebody on the server who just enjoys making music? We need somebody like C418, you know, to just make vibe music for our upcoming...
C4... wait, C4...
C4...
What did you call him?
C418, what is he called? Isn't C418?
C418.
Yeah. C418, shut up. C418.
C418. C418. Ah, yes. But I sent you an error.
You got... What did you get?
Oh, yeah, I don't
know. What? Unable to unpack Git files, invalid object. How do you have problems with home? Why
that binding is always so scuffed.
Home admin projects look... Oh yeah, but that's... No, what the fuck is that address, bro?
What? Don't you like my my thing?
But it says that it's trying to access something from home admin projects Lucas wallet. Like what the fuck is...
Yeah, that's my directory.
Oh, okay. What the fuck? Yeah. That URL equals... But that's from the... What the fuck? Git... Got a Zig SDL3 ref. Oh, but that... What the fuck is that? That's not from the...
That's from Sig.zone. It's through with the package manager.
Oh yeah, it's the SDL wrapper for Zig.
Yeah, that one is always so scuffed. Not the guy's fault, it's a big binding and... well, SDL3 is also big, so...
Yeah.
And it updates like all the time. So, like the STL and
C418 at home. Yes, yes, yes. But
yeah, I don't really know how to fix that. I've tried like many times before. Same binding, same problem. So I'm gonna get some water. Derby.
alright, alright, alright.
I'm
Welcome back.
I go.
How have you been?
Very good. Oh, my phone ringing.
Your phone
Oh
ringing.
my god, shut
Your
up.
phone ringing.
Stop doing your phone ringing.
Your phone ringing. Your phone ringing.
Like this, but the compiler output shows that it's searching failed. This is indicating that an issue in the build configuration or mismatch between library and the linker search path. The most likely culprit incorrect misconfiguration build.zig file, the -lsdl3 flag presented in the build command, but there might be an issue with how dependency being handled. Make sure your build.zig file correctly specifies the system library and if necessary adds the library path to the linker. You can modify build.zig file explicitly at the path. Do we do this? And then this.
Yeah. Not include, but it doesn't need that.
Well, maybe it needs, because it doesn't seem to find shit, bro.
Like the adding buff doesn't. Well, we could add it, but I don't think it would help.
I think it will.
Like it's my issue is to do with the STL binding,
Yeah, but
not
fuck,
anything else.
that's your that's just like
Yeah, exactly. That's my
me.
issue.
Where do we do the here, right? So we have what is actually when it's referring to lib?
It's meaning loader.
Yeah, I was thinking that. No file name path in union build lazy path.
Yeah, that's because you see Gemini is stupid, so it does it wrong. You have to do a b.path.
Oh wait, not.
It doesn't. Yeah, loader, and then in here you do b.path and remove these stupid ass curly braces. They don't. Yeah.
No, no, no.
That's not how it works no more, bro.
No, 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 no. Wait, here I do.
What do you mean? No, 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 no.
That's
Yeah, now you do b.path, and then you just give it the
B
string.
or D? B.
B.
And then I just do equals this.
Nope, you do it's a function.
Oh, like this.
Yeah, all the paths in this SIG build system does go through that. If it's a lazy path, it's b.path.
This is not in build. What? B CWD relative.
Yeah. Add library path doesn't exist.
Cheesecake, you just joined perfectly. We're trying to get load image working, but it doesn't find the SDL3, even though like it says user local lib like this. And then I print out and I try to find all of the SDLs and it says that it's found here, and also here, but yet it's like it doesn't find it in here. I was like, but it's right there, you know?
Yo, what's up?
Oh, it's T-Chef.
I'm gonna send you something, Lucas.
You gonna send me something?
That's what the function is actually called. That you want.
Like from the loader, instead of add library path.
Yeah.
No, still it doesn't.
Yeah, it's because the ZLS is super slow. Just run it.
Oops. I get push instead of run.
Same,
Okay.
but different.
Well, now we got something different.
Yeah, it's because you're trying to do lazy path on a absolute path, which doesn't really work. Because SIG doesn't really allow that. The thing is, the SIG build system tries to be like as inclusive, so everyone can just like do one command to build it. But to do that, they don't really like when you try to access things outside of the project directory.
Okay, gotta continue my training. See you soon.
Alright, see you, T-Chef. Bro, Harold is hallucinating, bro.
Am I?
Yeah, she's.
I don't know. Am I?
She's
Well, I don't know. He knows the build system better than I do. I mean, link system library you can access things outside, but that's different.
Loader add system path include CW relative user live local. Okay. Should probably really study this, how to make a build file in SIG, because damn, I have no idea what you guys like. How like this
I can
feels,
teach you sometime.
this feels like voodoo magic. Okay. No, it still doesn't find the SDL, which is so weird because I have it. You know?
Yeah, remove the add system. Well, maybe you have to do the system library thingy. You know what? Do the add system include path before all of this link system library.
Like
Before it.
this?
Yeah. Don't know if that's gonna help, but we can try.
No.
Yeah, no.
I don't understand because
Yeah,
that
no.
feels
I
kind
have
of
no idea.
stupid because they are right there. Like what the fuck? Okay. Cheesecake's gonna check your build systems. Woo.
It's not on the master branch though, it's on poll system.
Yeah, it's on poll systems, but I didn't push this. Should I push that? Let's see. I will just yank this, put it there. You're unable to dynamic. Let's see. Can't find file though it exists in your system. The problem is trailing space in the library name. Trailing space? No way.
What? Oh, is that it?
Bro.
Oh.
Bruh! 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 I swear to God, I never had to do this manual thing. It was always work. It was just a trailing. You did this to fool me, huh? You think you're funny? You think you're funny?
I didn't even mean for that, but well.
Sig 366.
Huge waste of time.
Oh my God.
Well, you can really remove the add system include path. We don't like useless garbage in the build. Oh, well, it's fine.
Here, but
Yeah, just replace it with 2. Because you said that we didn't want that anymore.
yeah, you know
so.
that. I know I said so, and I mean it. I just wonder, do I already pass in somewhere over here? Nah, I will just keep it as 2. Fuck it. Well, hallelujah, something broke now. Oh, we are back at load. Doesn't work.
Well, how great. Maybe we can just remove the include like link system library STL then. Because that was more of like a test. So we can just remove the link system library STL also.
Right, let me just see and run that. Okay, we didn't need that to begin with. Okay, what removes what?
Remove the STL free.
This thing?
Yeah, remember that, it's useless.
But why? Why? Because this should
Well,
be.
I don't know. It is a valid path. I even added like a big ass check for it. So if the path is like invalid, then it will just, you know.
Cheesecake, do you want the live session access? We just want to be able to load textures, but we are fucking up this STL image thingy.
I'm gonna start on map generation.
Yeah, it's probably alright. Copy. I will send to you my cheesecake. Where are you? Dun, 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 dun. Hey, Minecraft music hits. I'm gonna grab some water. Beer real quick.
Okay. You know, Cheesecake, there is one thing I got to tell you. You have the chance to convince me to not use const self equals this anymore.
Welcome back.
Because I don't know anymore. Hello.
What do you don't know? Have you
Well, I
tried?
just said.
Oh, wait. Have you ever tried Rust? My first and only Nouveau and Novel programming language is sick, but I was thinking of trying Rust sometime. I have never tried, or I have once. I helped my guy who programming Rust fix his line of code.
AKA he changed out of value.
I changed out the value. That's my Rust experience. That's all I have done. I basically changed. I don't remember. It was some integer value from like 5 to 2, for example, or something like that. Hold on, let me paste that in my side. Live code looks so ugly. Alright, don't worry about it. But yeah.
One thing, Lucas, do you want the map in a 2D array or a 1D array?
I mean, I always prefer 2D arrays. But if it makes
a
more
2D array it is.
if it makes more sense data-wise, do it in 1D.
Well, it's not really much performance, and I think the SIG like compiler will just figure it out anyways. It's probably just gonna do some biases magic. And if you don't like that, C does that all the time, so shut up.
Okay, my bad.
Yeah. You said too much, man. Yeah.
Yeah, but what was the thing you said before I sat down?
Nah, it was just that Cheesecake can try to convince me to use this instead of self. Because I don't know what's going on anymore. And but also the get texture should not return a model.
That's true. That's
Yeah.
true.
And or else just do panic.
What the fuck? What happened? Where did everything go?
You probably followed Cheesecake into a file because you were still so long.
Wait, but get texture. Oh, but it says self models. But I will fix this texture like so. But I will.
Yeah, and you replace remove the or else also and use it to dot question mark.
Wait. Trying to find. Lucas, read this while I'm trying to find
Yeah, read that to me. Yes.
Don't self simple struct. Wait.
Yes.
Nouveau, it means newly arrived or developed, according to Merriam-Webster. Alright. Shurian Xiaochan, I can't probably pronounce that correctly at all, but hello, how many
Bro, speaking
programming
Chinese.
tools do you code in? Oh. Well,
Well, you like TypeScript a lot and JavaScript and
No,
Python.
shush.
So 3 languages.
Right now I'm just coding in Zig, but I have programmed in C, Zig, C++, Java, TypeScript, JavaScript, well, TypeScript, JavaScript, same. C Sharp, CSS, HTML, PHP. What else? I think I'm missing one language, but basically at least those. Python. What else? Nah,
HTML, my
Yeah.
favorite programming language.
it is considered one, but
Barely, bro.
apparently. Oh yeah, actually, a basic like scripting language called AutoIt. Assembly, yeah, I have done.
Sounds finished.
Yeah, assembly is also a programming language. Forgot about it. Yeah, that too. I have done assembly x86, assembly 6502, assembly. Which one is it? It's which one is it? It's called. It's the one that universities use to teach us assembly programming languages, but I don't remember what it is. Not that I'm that good, like not good with assembly, like I have written stuff in them, but I wouldn't consider myself like proficient in them. Okay. When will we get LLVM IR stream? Well, when would I do something with that? Actually, I have a plan to maybe try to make a debugger or something like that sometime, probably.
Oh, hell no.
Hell no.
Yeah.
As some people pointed out in comments, concrete, as in non-generic, instead of simple would have conveyed the intended meaning more effectively. I've seen few examples of people writing this kind of code. Code equals self. Don't. There's no need to declare self type alias when you're adding method to a simple struct. Just use name. So then you just do that. When is self needed? Self is just a convenient.
I already read this, bro.
That people like to create. It's almost never necessary. So let's talk first about the when this is necessary. This is needed when you are implementing a generic structure. In this case, you are inside a function and are defining a struct type that you plan to return. That struct will usually not have a name, so this lets you refer it even in the absence of the name or of a name. Yes, that's when you're using just type, and then you could do this.
Lucas, you can try now at
Thank you. Wait, what is used of undeclared local path? Wait, that should be. Oh, you call it local path set. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Whoa. Let's see. There's probably just some where we forgot to say that we're gonna do a print. Let me just do with the so it's a bit easier to read. F reference.
I am not yet convinced by Cheesecake Cat's URL sharing. There were no good arguments in my mind.
What? You forgot try. No field or member name Ferre in mem.
My favorite. Ferre.
Ferre.
Yes. The new allocating standard. Don't free Ferre. It's much better.
Okay. Statement expect 2 argument found 3 slice. 155. Here. Shit, how do you... It takes in the pointer and then the end, so it doesn't take an error. I forgot whether that function... What that function was. Use span.
Use span.
Yes. What... Oh my god, I want to code in all of them one day. It's my dream. It's... Just start doing shit and you will program
TypeScript
it.
even? I don't know.
I don't know about the TypeScript though. I will trust Harold. Okay, we will trust Harold on this one.
Okay, Sig. So you only got to learn Sig. So you learn Sig, and then you can every day look
Expected
at some
one
Sig
argument
code just to
found
look
3.
at how bad it is.
Span only takes one argument though.
I know. Bro, this function is getting more useless and useless for every Sig update.
Okay, let's see. Okay, so we got to here. Failed to load image. STD line 157. So here it just says that stdl error, stdmem span error. Failed to load image. I don't know, am I supposed to get something more out of that? Can I give bits to people?
Give bits to me. I deserve them all. Totally.
Unsupported image format. Oh yeah, still unsupported image. Yeah, there. I added a new line. Try again
What?
and it should be cleaner. Ah. Yeah, unsupported image format, but we are using JPEG, are we not?
I've loaded this images with STL image like 10 billion times.
Yeah, but that should... A JPEG should be fine. JPEG, are we...
reading the card. What? Do not reading the card. Yes, I do not.
You can only program one language as is for the rest of your life. Which one would you pick? FFmpeg moment.
Sig. Don't say it. Don't say it.
Assembly.
Don't say
Nah, I think
LLVMIR is the best one.
I think I would still go with C, to be honest, for the moment. Sig is awesome, but
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man.
C, why would you C is just that I can safely bet on C. If Sig for some reason just goes sideways or just, you know, stops development, it's fucked. But C will always be kind of like stable, you know?
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
There is a fair argument that one says that you could build the rest with assembly, lol, so you see, I was kind of
No.
smart to say assembly. I could
Bro.
just do the rest of them with the...
LLVMIR. You can literally talk with Rust, you can talk with Sig, you can talk with C, you can talk with everything, bro. LLVMIR is the best language. It has shit ton of features also.
Cheesecake is just like typing here, and we are like, what language would you use if you could just select one for the rest of your life? Like, bruh. Exactly, that's Cheesecake right now. Sig isn't developed enough to be programmed with as is. See?
Oh my god, bro.
Oh, hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Not true. Just a little bit true, but just let it cook, okay? Let it cook for like 1 year, okay?
One more year, that's what you say every year, right?
Well, this isn't Linux, okay? I'm not gonna say this is gonna be the year of the SIG. It's next year, okay?
So this should
Because
be...
do you know about the joke that every year is the Linux year?
No, I don't know about that joke.
Okay, well, there was some guy who in like 2002 or some shit that said that it would be the year of of Linux,
Mm-hmm.
and they've said it every single year now, until now, and it's still just going on. Yeah, that's the entire thing.
Source file C import has no member image in it. Let me see if I do.
No, it's like bro trying to write Zig inside of C. I think it's like load JPEG.
But there is the things that like the.
That's AI, bro.
Bruh. Don't remember the. Okay, try now. Okay. No, but you can build the rest of languages with the rest of the other languages. That kind of ruins the point of the question. At what age you started programming? I started when I was 14, I think. Yeah. But then I took a break for like 7 years. Nah. But yeah, first time I ever wrote some form of programming was when I was 14.
And when did you stop?
16, I think. Yeah.
Mm.
And then I didn't.
So I need to stop in like half a year. Okay, I see.
It's sad. I wish I would have continued because programming is so freaking cool. And I should have gone to Vulkan and see immediately, you know, like why did
Vulkan barely existed.
Yeah, it didn't exist back then.
Yeah, you're so old. It's okay though. It's not just being Finnish.
Same started at around 40. Currently, I'm doing. Currently I'm 70. I'm doing intermediate to advanced Python. Any tips to me?
No.
Go to some other programming language. No, I don't think. Like, what do you want to do? I think I cannot just give you a generic tip. Skill issue then with SDL. I don't know, like, why would it unsupported? Should we try to get a JPEG in there? Like, is that literally the reason, like, that it could fail?
You can try with a PNG.
Do I have any PNGs on this computer?
Maybe you don't have a JPEG codec. Very typical large moment. But that shouldn't matter. I don't know. STL image is such a weird library.
Yeah, but STL image library isn't configured to handle that format solution. The most common cause for this STL library was built with JPEG support or required a dependency for JPEG. Like, libjpeg is missing on your system.
That could be true because I do know that SL3 image does use a lot of libraries.
I do have it though. But wait, it doesn't say. Oh, it says reinstalled. Yeah, no. I do have it. My first programming language was Windows batch scripting. Thanks, Dad. Oh, nice. They're learning Java. Okay.
Wait. The path loading, like when we try to find the images, what did you do there? Like, is it JPEG or like JPEG? Because there's two different endings.
It's just GPG. But
Okay. Wait, go to open up assets.
Yeah.
No. Well, too bad.
Too bad. What was the bug which took you most time to fix? It's probably the bug I never solved. I was trying to do a Minecraft plugin once, and I was stuck on it for like a week or so, and then I just abandoned the project, and this was like 2021. So you could say I have been stuck on it for 4 years, if you want to say that, but I haven't really tried solving it since that 1 week. So, but depends on how you want to see on it.
I sent you an image in private because I can use the STL image thing, and I just looked, and it does have the ECAPEG.
What? Oh,
Yeah.
init.
But that requires some weird, like, STL IO stream, which I don't know how to get. But don't use ECAPEG, because it only checks if it is a JPEG.
Hmm.
But the shit should be there.
Let's see, I'm just gonna feed this to the air and see what it says. Wait. Wait. I have an idea. Build this an executable, and then try load your basket diff and see if it errors. Wait, what?
One little thing, Finnish guy. I don't know, I misspoke a little, so I just had to continue. But anyways, do you want the like map creator to populate an array that you give it, or should it make an array
Oh
with the
yeah.
allocator? Like, how do you want this?
I think you should just pass in the parameters of the dimension. Then it gives you back
Yeah.
the thing. I think that's...
Yeah. Okay.
Or that's kind of like C, where it's supposed in SIG that you can just give it a size and it will like...
Well, like in SIG, either you do one or the other or both. So there's like no really. Like either you can give it a buffer, you know, like the allocator has that, or I mean the writer. Like you can give it a buffer of bytes, or you can just make the allocator do stuff. But I'll just do the allocating stuff. It's
Yeah.
no big.
Yeah.
Doesn't really matter.
I realized that OOP is not for me when I started with Java because I was dumb back then, but now I think I'll battle. I don't like, for real, like OOP is just wrong. But you shouldn't like... OOP is like... I wouldn't recommend OOP for anyone to learn. Kinda maybe to learn why it's wrong.
That's why you should learn C.
Yeah, like for real. You should
Yeah.
go to another programming language where this OOP concept doesn't exist. Go also like data oriented.
Nah, go with data oriented. Yeah, no OOP there, bro.
Yeah.
They don't even have enums. They don't have anything.
Yeah, go. I guess SIG kind of utilizes the good stuff that exists in OOP.
Like methods.
Yeah,
Right.
methods.
Well, I mean, it's basically just functions that
Yeah.
are syntax
And
sugar.
then also
So.
the what is templates, generics, like what's it called?
Yeah, but that's kind of macro stuff in SIG. Like SIG kind of just gets away with doing this stuff, but in an original, unique way, I guess.
Yeah, but like it has like a lot of the good stuff that yeah, but I think there's also other stuff I'm just not that I just know these things at least.
Yeah.
But yeah, just don't OP. It will be you will be that they I don't know, that's still the thing that is being taught in universities. But I think for real like OP is bad. You should not go for that. Also more structured, but I don't know about the other language structure yet. Yeah,
They're pretty similar, all of
Yeah.
them.
Like like every programming language is still like quite similar. It's just if and then you just start programming basically. I think the only thing that gets confusing is with the maybe if you start doing bit shifting. That's a bit funny to read in the old languages.
Yeah, but like, don't do that.
Do that, it's fun.
No, in SIG we just use packed structs because we don't like that shit.
Functional programming languages are completely different from procedural. I have never
That
done.
is different. Don't use functional, please.
I have
Just
never
use
done
prestation.
functional. Like, is it just you just have functions? You never have data. Like, well, you must have data. How the fuck was the? How the fuck does it?
It's more like the functions or data, but it also works super differently. So yeah, don't even try to understand it.
Hmm. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, Cheesecake sent me this and told me, and then try to load your basket diff and see if it errors. Like just getting this file and compile it to GCC or something.
What?
What does this thing even do? Draw a gimpish background pattern to show transparency in an image. Just compile Clang or something, bro, or even Zig CC. So I will just take this.
Sig CC is the best, of course.
And I will actually just go inside of here, new file, and just call it test. Is it? I think it was a C file. It looked like C, yeah. And go here, cd assets, lscd textures. So wait, how does the Sig CC work? Is it just Sig CC and then you give it the file?
Yeah, it works like LC compiler.
Ah. Call to an unclear function image save ISO C99.
You might have to you have to do dash L STL free image. You know, you have to link it.
Ah. Underscore.
Uppercase STL free.
Bruh.
Huh. Maybe not. Wait, it's telling you something. Call of undeclared function ISO sin99 and later do not support implicit function declaration. And then you can do that thing like
Just
dash
wait.
with implicit
Like so.
function.
Unable to find a no, it doesn't find my fucking paths again. What?
Too bad.
The fuck?
Bro, your entire thing is broken.
Yeah.
Welcome to Arch.
User local. I do have user local. It doesn't look like I have user local bin in my path folder. Funny. Well, now I have it at least, so I don't know. Oh wait, I had it here all along. Now I have it twice. Lol, but it doesn't matter. SDL image. Let's see. It's called SDL3 underscore image, not just SDL image though. But if I do that, then it doesn't find anything. Function is great in my opinion to get logic down when you become skilled, but once you get to the point where you need output, it gets finky. Function has its place and it's not in game dev. Okay.
Yeah, it's like in maybe databases, I guess.
Oh yeah, I would like to implement my own database. That would be fun.
Nah, bro, just hire prisoners to do it for you.
Prisoners.
If anyone gets that reference, they should get a star.
Prisoners?
Yeah. Just hire prisoners to do it for you.
Is that some Squid Game reference?
No.
Nah, I don't know, man. Oh, this is like
Nah,
pathetic.
fine. Okay, there was like a database company who just hired someone from prison.
Yeah, why
But they
not?
didn't know he was from prison. Like, they just hired him.
But I would hire someone from prison. Like, why would that be a problem?
I don't know, maybe CIA puts you on the list or some shit.
But like, it's not like like what? People want to, just second chance, like many people also just. I don't think anyone is intentionally trying to be a bad person,
Everyone is trying to be bad, trust me.
Ah, okay.
Totally agree.
How many games have I made till now? I don't know. Not many. Just a few. Like, I probably have done like between 10 and 20 games. 20 if you count like games that nobody will ever know that I have made. 10 that I could probably prove that I have made. Where is... Okay, but what the fuck? I mean, I have it. What the... Oh wait, I have turbo. That's why. For heaven's sake. Could this be the reason why I don't find it? Because when it says that it needs libjpeg, but I only have libjpeg dash turbo. I don't know. I don't think.
Yeah, that's probably why. Also, apparently the tiles for the map is just gonna have to be a 1D array.
Okay, no, that's fine.
Because of technical limitation.
But how do we translate that to coordinates? I guess.
I'll make a function for you.
Don't
worry, I'll make a function called like get pos or get or
hello,
like set
Julio
pos
Rats.
or whatever.
Makes sense. But I guess I will just... I cannot really... Because if I do this... We just reinstalled packages. Oh my god. which won't help me. Unless if it understands. No, I'm Finnish, not Brazilian.
Same but different. Am I right or am I right?
Yeah. Hmm. It's kind of funny, I always have to clarify to AI models that I'm using Arch Linux, otherwise that would give me something that is irrelevant.
Nice.
Yeah, I mean I can try this. Wait, why would I do that now? Ah, whatever. Let's take the yay packet. Fuck's sake. What the fuck? But that doesn't really help. But does it compile for you?
For me, well,
Yeah.
it doesn't because, you know, the binding.
I mean... Okay, actually no, I don't have this. Wait a minute. I'm looking at the wrong thing. I don't have it. Interesting. Gotta just... Where the fuck did it install it then? Yay. Dash R. Yes. And sudo pacman. Wait, but it is only with... let's do all. And no. Where does it install it? That's not like cache should be going into here, right?
I'll back a moment.
Okay. But I don't... Am I... What the fuck? Scroll to see if it has JPEG support. But like, when I try to compile the thing, right? It says unable to find dynamic library SDL image, right? And it searches here. I don't have SDL image. Even though I just installed it. But like lib SDL image. Because because it's SDL image actually. But I don't. Do I have that then? I don't have that either. Okay. Well, there it says it's inside where I am. Am I blind? PW. Oh wait, I have to go one step back. What? User lib. I should have it here. Lib SDL. Oh wow. X. Here. S. Here, SDL image here. But yeah, it doesn't find it from here. It's in the wrong spot. It's trying to find it from here, but I have it in user lib, not in user local lib. So, is it based on environment path that it does this? Or is it based on... Wait, user lib here. But yeah, it's called with a 3, not with a... with just like this. So it has the path, it has the wrong name.
I'm back.
I come back.
Thank you.
Okay, but now it doesn't find this thing again. Oh, so that's why when I said this 3 that it went back to unclear image slate not support implicit. Is image save from the... Where does image save come from?
I don't know. Somewhere.
Should I have this? No, this is something else. Add include path. What include path do you mean? Do I need... Oh. SH, bro. So where is... Was it dash I for include, or what was the
To include. Yeah, that's the dash L.
Dash L?
Yeah, for link.
Yeah, but no, for libraries. Header files.
Yeah, that's probably I.
Wait, already exists at home. Unknown clang option dash I.
Well, maybe not.
Is it capital? Later do not support implicit function declaration. No, I do. Did you mean image saved? Need to. I'm out the 5,000. Good luck with your product. Thank you. We are still just trying to figure out how STL image works. I mean, it seems like it's just the wrong function name, but sure, we can do that. Image save JPEG. I can try this. Fuck it. Image save here. Right? 179. Yeah. And then just JPEG. Oh wow. Expected after expression. Expression result unused. Too few arguments. What the fuck? Surface file quality. What does quality imply in that case? Lowest quality 346, middle quality 670 is highest quality. Ah, well, I will just put a 33. I don't care. Maybe just outdated. Okay, let's see this one. Surface STL. Huh. Yeah, but I maybe don't have the same header file as they have. Expected after expression. Line 40. Ah, this is my shit, don't worry about it. Okay. Wow. Just look at all of that. Undefined symbol, SDL log, create SDL, create window. SDL3 probably, yes. SDL3. What? That was it. Ah, bruh. I've been so used to the Zig build. Sorry. Well, there's no image. Does it take in through arguments? Where's the main argv? No, drop. We now allow drag and drop in the. So I specify the. Let's see. Unsupported image format. That's the same thing that we are having.
Try with your PNG.
I don't have a PNG. I will just download SpongeBob PNG. Actually, I think I have. Let's see. Let's down. Let's do something very legal. Save image. Is this a PNG? This is not a PNG. Is this a PNG? Bruh. Okay, fuck it. I must have a. Wait. There's downloads. Can I search for PNG? Okay, I have. Oh yeah, look at all of those thumbnails are PNG. Oh, and Arch Linux is also PNG. Let's go. Let's put it in textures. Boom. Can I not do it like this? What the fuck? Wallenstein, assets, textures. Oh shit. No, I just want to copy it. Fuck. And now it's not responding. Amazing. And now I can quit it. Oh my god, it just got better. Come on, just die. What is this thing called? It's something with cosmic.
What? The Cosmic Image Viewer?
I'm using Cosmic Explorer or whatever it is this thing is called. Just close it. Yes. Oh, okay.
You can open it in VS-Code. Like VS-Code is an image viewer.
Yeah, but no, like, this is important. That I have in downloads, PNG. Oh, okay, the Arch Linux is there back again. Good. And then we go in projects here. Can I, there? I should probably clean this up a little bit, if you know. Textures. And then I go here, Arch Linux, and then I do this. Okay, that's better. So now here we will have this thing. Good. And let's change it to load that thing, Arch Linux. But now it's not gonna load. What? How? So it's something with that texture just at this.
Every time I have 250 points, I will do this.
No, don't do that. Yeah, now it's something with that image that is just broken. I don't know. But I could load a
Oh,
JPEG.
great. Okay, open it up in VS Code, the image.
March Linux I can open, but not this. An error occurred while loading the image.
It's probably because when you copied it through... Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Okay, you know what? Remove the basket diff.jpg. Remove it. And then I want you to go to our private DMs and I want you to copy that one. You see it?
Yes, save it.
Yeah. Because my clipboard just, like, through this code live session, it just corrupts everything I send
Oh, so
over.
that's why. Is that? Oh my god, bruh. Oh hell. Oh my god. I was thinking just like, nah, my VS Code can't just. Load texture. Yeah, it worked. No. This is me. This is me just so it doesn't run. It worked. It gave us the height and everything. It worked. Brother.
Now somehow I have now pranked you accidentally 2 times, which has wasted like 2 hours.
Like you should. I will give you a role called the Master Prankster or whatever the fuck, bro.
Master prankster. Well, what a great role.
Bruh.
But it wasn't. It was accidental both times also. But well.
Bruh. Well, I learned a little bit more about SDL and the file path where it is, and
Yeah, exactly.
but reminded how to
it's
compile C code. So I think it's a I think it's a W. Okay, now we can remove my stupid ass shit stuff. We don't need this anymore, and we don't need to print this anymore. Well, and yeah, the surface. Well, that will come into. Well, I guess we can keep it until I actually implement it. But yeah. Probably would take you longer if you didn't print the errors. Probably. Now we can oops. Now we can remove the lot. What the hell happened? Okay. Remove that. Go back. Go run. So now we'll just run normally. It won't load textures, but that's fine. This will take a while. I think I will be faster off just typing it out. Oh my god, we're still going. There. Boom. Alright, I will push this. It's clean. Mid-m textures not like git push. Oh no, I had to push the images. Well, fuck.
It's fine.
It's fine. And then I will just check out master, because I want to be on master tomorrow when I start. Let's see, where do I have? So they can go in here, do a cool pull. Compare, look at all of that shit. Wow, images. Woo! Well, we can delete them later, you know. It's you guys will get some cool Arch Linux background images. I will actually delete the poll system branch stuff. It's not needed anymore. All right. That was a beautiful time wasted. Not really. I think I learned still a lot. tomorrow we will get those textures loaded in. Harold will have a cool map. I will get the player controls set. Fix my goddamn VR setup so we can actually navigate in VR again. I don't know. I don't know what I have broken, but something I have broken definitely because things doesn't run as it should. Why did the music stop? Let's continue with the music, even though I'm about to close off for today. Wow, 4 people. Yo, guys, shall we do? We will raid. We'll raid. All right. Raiding is. Let's raid somebody with 4 people.
Okay, Christoph.
Is Christoph on? I don't think Christoph is on.
No, it's not. Well, you raid someone.
Someone with.
Raid. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know anyone
Yeah.
else except you and Christoph.
Yeah, is what is his name? Code from scratch?
I don't know. You mean the last guy you raided?
No, it's develop from what the fuck? Develop. I don't remember his channel name. I'm actually there isn't really anyone who does anything on Zig. What? How is this possible? Unity game dev. Do people care about that? Python. Oops, I said the P word. Is there Vulkan maybe? Vulkan is pretty cool. No, okay, it's not even a tag.
Well, type VR.
Oh, I could do VR. Well, they have Zig graphics. I guess we can go here. Software game development. Yeah, let's go here.
Well,
Let's see. Start now. Or right now. Right now. Okay, I don't know. I hope people join. I don't know if people.
yeah, I got raided there.
Yay!
Yo, we're also doing stuff with Vulkan.
That's how it's supposed to be.
Oh,
Alright, but I'm gonna go now. See you guys. Bye bye.
thanks for the